Hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing a very quick makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video and give me a subscribe, like and share my video. As you can see, I'm applying my concealer. I have already do my foundation, so I'm just going in with my concealer. Make sure I blend the concealer very well. You blend the concealer, you don't drag the concealer when you're blending. Okay, so I'm gonna blend my concealer very well. Make sure I blend that in good, and then after that I'll go in with my contour. If you like this video guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more makeup content. I'll be posting more videos soon on my YouTube channel. Your support will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. I'm going with my concealer over my nose, over the bridge of my nose. Apply my concealer and then blend it in very well. Make sure you blend. When you blend in the concealer, you tap. Okay, you tap. You don't drag your sponge. You tap. Go in with a very flat brush and blend that concealer very well. I mean your contour. Sorry guys, your contour. So after concealer is contour. Okay, and now this is my blush. I'm gonna be applying my blush. The blush go after the contour. All right, so blend my blush. Make sure I blend my blush very well, and then I will go in with my powder. Okay, I'm tapping the powder. You don't need too much powder. I almost applied a little bit too much, but that's okay. This is I was trying to go with a natural look, like everyday, natural look. That's what I was trying to create. So you make sure you put a powder to where you apply your concealer. Okay, and you blend the powder very well. And now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Sorry, I did my eyebrow off camera because I was in a hurry when I was recording this video. So I did my eyebrow off camera, and now I'm doing my eyeshadow. Okay, next time make sure I record the video. Now it's time for lip. I'm going with my lip liner, my dark lip liner. Apply my lip liner, and then after that apply my lip gloss. I was trying to go with something very simple. Okay, now it's time for my lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It complete my look. I'll do my eyeliner. Apply my eyeliner and then my mascara. Please, if you watch this video all the way through, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, give me a follow, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. Thank you for watching, besties. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup video and more makeup tip. Bye. See you next time in my next